Good morning and welcome, children, in today's English classroom for class 11. Today we'll learn note making. It's an essential part of an integral part, rather, I should say, of your your reading section, note making. Okay, it's very important. It's quite new for you, children, because in class up to class 10 you didn't get note making, but you are in the practice of it. How if during the practice I'm telling you, while teacher teaches you something, you make some notes, so that is also a type of note making. Okay, now we'll try to understand that how a proper note is being made and what is note making. Okay, now what is note making? A note making is a brief record of points, then ideas written down as an aid to memory. Remember, note making basically it's important because it works as a kind of aid to your memory. Means it helps to memorize something, points and ideas. Now, how is note making helpful to us? It helps us to memorize things, memory. Then, after important points, we can remember and note down during exam. It is helpful. It helps us to remember the thing and write the answers. Then, after debates or speech, when you are participating in some speech or debate in some competitions, if you have some notes ready-made with you, it will be really very helpful for you. During lectures also, when you are sitting somewhere listening someone some important lecture, then what do? You just note down the important points so that it can be helpful to you. For discussion also, it can help you. It remains at a ready recon in your memory. Now, note making, the skill of writing a note, right? Now, this is helpful to anyone who wants to compress a large piece of information into a brief, organized and summarized. Okay, this is very important. Note making always should be brief, and you should organize the things. Organize the thing how? Organize the thing in means ideas you must have to organize in a proper way. Okay, then you should be able to summarize the points, notes, in the form of a summary or a kind of paragraph if needed. Now, piece which can be conveniently referred to as and when required, and it helps you to to refer to whenever it's required. Now, important points for note making. What are the important points? Brief. It should be very brief. You must have to use one title. Then third person, this will be used, not I and you, rather third person. Then facts and relevant details. Now, facts and relevant details means what? You should be very much concise, isn't it? Briefly you should write only facts and relevant details. This is very natural. Why I'm telling you? Because see, notes, if your notes become now longer than the lecture, then what is the use of writing note, isn't it? Notes should be very brief and quickly you can note down very easily something you can jot down, and rather it can be referred in future. Now, important points for note making. No diagrams will be used. No diagrams means, for example, in poster writing you have learned that how diagram can be used. So no diagrams can be used here. Full sentences are not used. This is very important. That's why I have highlighted with red mark. This actually gives lot of trouble to the children. I have seen while making a note from a passage, the children used to pick up some important line and put that, and to show that it's a kind of note, but it is absolutely wrong, and marks will be deducted. For this. So no full sentence can be used, only words, phrases or short sentences. Logical sequence must be maintained. Ideas should be organized in a logical way. Abbreviations can be used and must be used, rather. Symbols also can be used as abbreviation. The short form like EXP for experience, ETC for etc., MFG manufacturer, or GOVT government. These are the commonly known short forms can be used for words. Now, a few ways how to make abbreviation: EDU for education, ORG for organization, SC for science, and GOVT for government, etc. Now see, other ways also there to make like this one abbreviation. For example, determination. So determination, we can use some we can use the apostrophe like DE, then apostrophe ON, determination. Okay, yeah. Next, this is very important, that we can abbreviate the words, but we cannot abbreviate the proper nouns. Proper nouns means the name of people, name of place. We cannot do that. For example, Alexander, Ranga, Hosahalli. We cannot abbreviate this proper nouns. Okay. Now see, I thought, yeah, we'll try to understand this format. This is very, very important actually. Your note making should look like a note, a proper organized note. In that case, this indentation will help you out. Now, how to organize your note? First, title will come. You need to write the title. Then after, the main points. Okay, like main points you see in a straight line. They will come main point 1, main point 2. Then under main point, sub points will come. Sub points will be marked like 1.1 like this. And if you think that sub points can be written, so in that case, what will you write? You will write sub points under sub points like 1.1, 0.1, 1.1.2. So if you think, for example, main point 1, under main point 1, you have one, sub point like 1.2. So under 1.2, if you have to write the sub points, in that case, what will you write? What will write? 1.2.1, 1.2.2. So in this way, main point here number 2. So the sub points will be 2.1, 2.2. Sub points will be, for example, 2.2 sub points. That's why 2.2.1, 2.2.2. If the sub points would have come under sub point 2.1, then they will be 2.1.1, 2.1.2. In this way, it will go on. Achha, this is one way of indentation. Another way is there, that also I tried to show you. I will show you that. Yeah. So here the same indentation, you can see the same indentation here. What we have changed? We have changed the marking like 1.2, 1.1 we have written. So here what we'll do, we'll use different. For example, for main point 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. For sub point A, B, C, D, and for sub points Roman 1 and 2. This is also another form of indentation you may write, which is also accepted. But whichever you think comfortable, you may use. But mostly in your book, if you refer to your textbook, page number 114, I suppose. So there you will find this one. This format has been used. So whichever you like, you may use. So for an example, I have taken one known lesson, which is known to you. Ranga's marriage we have done. So I'll try to make a note of the Ranga's marriage, which will give you an idea that how to make notes. Now see, Ranga's marriage. Here, main point, first, main point 1 coming description of Hosahalli. Now, description of Hosahalli, DESC, this is an abbreviated form of description. Okay, yeah. So, Hosahalli. Now, under main point 1, we are writing the sub point. What are those sub points? A, narrator talks high about it. B, loves everything. C, not a developed village. So, you can note that here no sentences has been used. No sentences. The fragments of sentence or words or phrases. Okay. Number 2, second point, we may write Ranga's homecoming. Under Ranga's homecoming, I am writing the sub point. Okay, Ranga's homecoming was the main point, and sub point A, great event, became like celebrity, and the sub points are first, English educated man, no change in physical appearance. Then number 3, cultured and respectful to elders. In these we will write. Now we'll go further. Main points number. This is the indentation being given, how 1, 2 has been aligned. Okay. Now A, B, C, D, the sub points, they are also in straight line like this. Yeah. Now the third point, Ranga changed mentally. Okay. This is the main point, and sub points are A, no plans for marriage. B, likes love marriage. Now main point number 4, narrator found Ratna for Ranga. Now the sub points vowed to get Ranga married. B sub point orphan Ratna, and the sub points are good singer, good at veena and harmonium, shy and sweet. Now you see, these are the ways I showed you. Now one thing I would like to make you understand that, for example, Ranga changed, the fourth point I am taking, narrator found Ratna for Ranga. This is the main point. So if you have written 4, then sub points you could have written like 4.1, vowed to get Ratna married. Now next point 4.2, okay, orphan Ratna. And what would be the number of the sub points, like 4 point, as it is orphan Ratna 4.2, so it will be 4.2.1 good singer, 4.2.2 good at veena and harmonium, and 4.2.3 shy and sweet. Now in this way you can write more about this lesson. So I have tried to show you how simply we can note down this one. Yeah, now this is the indentation. You must have to maintain the gap. You see, for main point, straight line 3 4 will be in straight in alignment. Then the main point, sub points A B they will be in straight line, okay, they will aligned, and the sub points also will be aligned. So this gap you need to maintain. Okay, now we'll show a C1 video. Okay, in that video we'll try to understand how, in a better way. I have taken one more example. Yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you, this is what within a box you must have to write the abbreviations also, the abbreviations that we have used there in Ranga, okay, in this passage, this note making. DV for developed, EDUD educated, PHY for physical, AP apostrophe CE appearance, in this way arranged and disappointed also. Yeah, now we'll see one on video, we'll see and try to understand better. Okay, so as you can see, this is one passage given. We'll try to make a note making from here. What is the name of the passage? The sun. Okay, yeah, I'll read out, you listen. The sun forms a very important part of the solar system. It counts for 98% of the total mass of the solar system. The sun is not solid like the earth. Instead, it is composed of plasma. As a result, the sun rotates faster at its equator than at its poles. It takes about 25 days to complete one rotation at the equator and 33 days to complete one rotation at its poles. The major elements that constitute the sun are hydrogen and helium. It is also composed of other elements like iron, nickel, oxygen, etc. The visible surface of the sun is called the photosphere. It heats up to temperature of about 6000 Kelvin. The core of the sun, however, has a temperature exceeding 13 million Kelvin. The sun also has a strong magnetic field. This is responsible for the effects such as sun flares, etc. The sun is a life force for Earth. The light from the sun is essential for all living things. It aids in the process of photosynthesis for plants. It also helps the production of vitamin D. However, excessive exposure to sunlight can create serious damage in the form of sunburn, cancer, etc. The sun has also been an important cultural symbol throughout history. The ancient Egyptian god Ra, for example, was considered the god of the sun. So this is the passage, and we'll try to make highlight the important points, like important part of the solar system, 98% of the total mass of the solar system, not solid like Earth. Then it takes about 25 days to complete one rotation at the equator and 33 days to complete one rotation at the poles. What are the major elements? Hydrogen and helium. Then visible surface is called the photosphere. A temperature of about 6000 Kelvin, the core, isn't it? So in these way, the most important points we are highlighting first. Okay, it aids to process of photosynthesis, how it is helpful for living being, isn't it? And it may cause the sunburn, the disease also, and how it is a part of culture, isn't it? Now we'll try to understand that this paragraph, each paragraph, now we will use as one point. For example, the first one is facts about the sun. Okay, we try to see this one once again. Yeah, so this one, see, facts about the sun, first paragraph. Second one, features of the sun. And the third paragraph, the sun and the other living things. And the fourth one is sun and culture. In this way, see, the first paragraph, the main point we will use the facts about the sun. Second paragraph, features of the sun, and in these we will proceed. Okay. Now we'll see that how it can be converted into a note. Okay, using these points, we'll try to frame a note out of this one. Yeah, so this one, you see, the sun. This is the title. Okay, next the main point about the sun. Then sub points that we are getting forms 98% the total mass of the solar system, not solid, rotates faster, rotation period. Second, again, features of the sun, under it the photosphere, core, magnetic field, all these things are coming. Okay, so in this way, the third one, the sun and other living things that we are seeing or watching, this one, the sun, other living things also, that how sunlight helps the living being, and and the overexposure of this also can create a kind of disease like sunburn and cancer. Now the sunburn and cancer, these also can be used as a sub points, also can be written as. Now the next point is sun and culture. There what are we writing? Important cultural symbol in history. Example we are giving, ancient Egyptian god of the sun, Ra. Okay, now see, we have used some abbreviations also. K for Kelvin. Okay, now that also will try to put in the form of this, within a box we'll write abbreviation. These are the abbreviation that we have used. So these are the main points you can see highlighted, and below we are getting the sub points. Okay, sub points. But I would like to highlight on one thing very important, that what we have taught till now, that we will write the main points number, the main points in one line, means one alignment. Okay, but here the sub points also have been written in the same line. So this is we will avoid this. Okay, so we will write one tab forward, and we will put the sub points in one alignment. Okay, as we have seen in the earlier slides. Okay, fine. Now we'll proceed. Yeah, so this is what that we have seen about this one. The abbreviations that have been used, that has been highlighted, like helium, H, hydrogen, for example, H given helium, then abbreviation, temperature, and all this thing is given. Okay, now following this, as I had given you two examples I have shown, one from the Ranga's marriage, and another one I have shown you the video of the sun, that how it was done. So what we will do, I am giving you here one exercise. I am giving you this one passage about the television. Okay, effect of television. So what you will have to do, you will have to make a note of this passage. Okay, this paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2 and 3. So you will make one note. Okay, so how many main points you are going to make? 3 main points you make. Okay, under the sub points, if necessary, sub points. Once again, I am referring to the indentation part, that you can use the indentation like 1, 1.1, 1.2 or 1 then for sub point A and sub point Roman 1, 2, 3. Both are correct, but don't forget to write the abbreviations in the box. Okay, so I suppose you understood. Thank you very much.